Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add cinematic black bar to your video on InShot application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to open my project. So this is the project I have created, and if we want to add the cinematic black bar to our video, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this PIP option. And we need to open the InShot material, and here we have to select the picture category. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the picture category, and here you can scroll down until you find the cinematic black bar. Okay, this one. Click on this black bar, and you can click on this button to fit the screen, and we can make this black bar align with the video by dragging it like this. And now it's done, and this is the result. Okay, and if you want to make your video more cinematic, you can add folder. You just need to click on this folder option and click on folder again, and you can select the folder for your video, and I'm gonna go with this one, this vintage folder. Alright guys, and that's how we can add cinematic black bar to our video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.